Assalamu alaikum, everyone. So today I'll be explaining how to navigate through the QuranResearch.org website, and I'll describe the functionality provided by each page and how to find the information you're looking for. So to start off, you're currently looking at the homepage where the Quran text is displayed as an image and in textual format, along with the navigation buttons that go through the pages of the Quran. This page also provides a portal for all functionalities provided by the website, and it also lists the news and updates down over here. And we have links to our social media and contact information. I'll be going into more details about each thing, inshallah. So to start off, looking over here on the left side, we have index by surah. This basically lists all the surah numbers, names, and page numbers. So over here we have the surah numbers listed from surah number 1 to surah 114. Here we have the surah names, and they're in the same order of the Quran, and they're in Arabic. And over here we have the page numbers. And when you click on the page number, it takes you to the first page of the surah. So for example, if I wanted to go to Surah Al-Ma'idah, I would just click on it and it would take me to the first page of Surah Al-Ma'idah. Same thing if I wanted to go to Surah Al-Baqarah, it takes you to the first page of the surah. Now moving on, right beside it is the index by juz'at. The index by juz'at lists the juz'at number and page numbers. So over here, we have all the juz'at numbers listed from 1 to 30 and the page numbers. And similarly, if you click on the juz'at number, it takes you to the first page of the juz'at. So for example, if I wanted to go into juz'at number 3, I would click over here, and this is the first page of juz'at number 3. Now going back to Surah Al-Fatiha, you're currently looking at the Quran page, and it's at the center of the page. It has the current active page displayed, and you have the ability to navigate through the Quran pages. Now, if we look right above it right here, we have the surah name listed at the top, and it's listed based on the first ayah of the surah. Right under it, we have the surah number, the juz'at number, and the ruba number. Right below that, you have multiple buttons to navigate through the Quran pages. So for example, over here, you can increase the page numbers by 100. You can, if you click over here, you'll increase the page numbers by 10. And if you click over here, you'll increase it by 1. On the other hand, if you click right here, you're going to decrease it by 1, decrease it by 10, decrease it by 100 pages. And right in between over here, you have a little box where you can insert the page number that you want to go to, and it'll take you to it. So just to show you very quickly, if you click over here, you'll go on to the second page. If you click over here, you're going to go on to 10 pages ahead, and then over here, 100 pages. And again, you can click over here, you can type in the page number that you want to go to, and it takes you to the page number. Down over here, we have the selected ayah box. So basically, if you click on the ayah text, the ayah serial number and the Quran text corresponding to this ayah appear in the box below, which is right here, the ayah serial number and the ayah text. So basically, when you clicked over here, you're basically zooming into the ayah. So when you do any future operations on it, you have it listed over here. Now at the bottom of the page over here, we have our news and updates. And again, this box provides information related to news system updates, new database versions, or any news related to QuranResearch.org website. Right below it, we have the follow us. If you click on the icons, you can join our mailing list. You can join our YouTube channel, or you can check out any news or updates and even newsletters that come out, inshallah. Now coming over here to the right side, we have the stats manager. So we'll go over the stats manager, which is the first tab up here. Here we have the surah. By selecting the surah tab, it gives you statistics about the current surah, such as the surah serial number, the surah name, the jumal values, and the numbers of ayahs, words, or letters in the surah. So for example, if I wanted to choose Surah Al Imran, I would click on it and it gives me information that it's the third surah in the Quran, and it gives me a bunch of other information about the surah. Now, if you click on ayah, which is right beside the surah, it gives you statistics about the current ayah that is again selected in this box over here. And it gives you statistics about the first and last word letter in the ayah. It gives information about the ayah relative to the position of the surah, and just different statistics and information. So for example, if I wanted to find statistics about ayah number 6, I would just click on it and it would come right here and there's information relating to it. Now, right beside ayah is word. And basically over here, by clicking on the word tab, it gives you statistics about the current word. And by default, the statistics is about the first word. So if you want to change that, all you have to do is you double click on the word and you click on refresh and it gives you information about the specific word in the ayah. Now, if you move on to this button over here, it's called selection. And basically what you can do is you can select any parts of the ayah that you want to get statistics about. So for example, if I select this part and I click on refresh, I'll get information about the selected part. So basically this tab goes over the surah statistics. This goes over the ayah. And you can select specific words. And selection, you can select any parts of the ayah that you want together. Now moving on to text splitter, which is the second tab. The text splitter splits the current surah, ayah, or word into its constituting letters or words. And you as the user, you have the option to either consider tashkil or without tashkil. So if you want to consider, for example, with tashkil, it would be like ba, kasra, sin, sukun, and then you would keep going. And you can also group similar words or you can not group similar words. That's up to you. So again, if you want to do it with grouping, you can do that. And you can also do without grouping. So currently the Quran Wiki is under construction. So inshallah, we'll be going over that a little bit later. Now going back over here at the top, I'll give you a little bit of information about what these tabs talk about. So if you click on About up here, this page basically provides an introduction to the QuranResearch.org project and its mission statement. So feel free to check out this page if you want to learn more about the goals and the features of the project. Right beside it, if you click on Docs, this page contains different documents pertaining to different database tables, SQL scripts that created the Quran database, and also images of the Quran pages and the font that is designed to display the Quran. We also have the user's manual and database documentation right here, which goes thoroughly in depth about how to use the website, and it has a lot of information about the website. If you click right beside it on join, you're going to find the mailing list. So if you click over here, you enter your email and you join our mailing list group. You can also click over here to visit our YouTube channel to watch any educational videos that relate to Quran research. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out anything. Right next to join is news, and basically all of the news announcements or updates are going to be listed here under the news tab. Right next to news is a donate button. Please click here if you would like to donate to support the organization. All the donations are used to maintain the servers and to support students working in the system development. Last tab is contact us. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions, concerns, or feedback. Please provide your name, your email, and a message to the Quran research admins or team, and we will get back to you as soon as possible, inshallah. So this was a quick demonstration of how to use the website. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll get back to you as soon as possible, inshallah. Jazakumullahu khairan.